Hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sylvia. I'm gonna be creating from this reference image. So like I always say, please remember to like, subscribe and turn on the notifications and stick around until the end. So for this particular art piece, I'm gonna be creating using Photoshop. I've been using Procreate a lot and I've just been showing you guys the time lapse. And for my OG fans, the ones who've been sticking around from the beginning, the ones who've been knowing that I use Photoshop, and that's how I learned how to create my digital art from Photoshop. And if you wanna stick around and also follow along, you can always slow down the video, because of course I'm gonna speed the video up because we're gonna be here for a couple of hours if it's playing in real time. So you guys can always reduce the speed of the video and follow along if you want to for some reason. But if you want to watch the creation process, which I also love to sometimes, I like to go back. And yeah, you can do the same. You can just enjoy the video. So I'm not going to talk too much. I feel like I already have. I'm just going to let you guys enjoy the making of this video, or rather the recording of this art piece. And I'll see you towards the end and I'll cue the music. hope you enjoyed the video and stuck around until the end. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.